Good dancing. Mommy's taking a video. You're gonna get dizzy. Do it again. Do it again. Oh, you're such a ballerina. Whoa. Good dancing. Oh, there's some good dancing. Wow. Oh, that was a pirouette.
Wait.
Swan Lake like you've never seen it before.
What's she saying?
I have no idea.
Geckos.
You're so pretty. Are you singing for us too?
Car.
A car.
I told me.
Because it's an alley.
Creepy.
You stick out your belly. See, it's right there. Watch it.
Ellie, can you do a twirl? Oh.
Hi. Cow.
Oh, good job.
Oh, can I help you do a very pretty dance move? Here, come here. Look at this. Okay, so I hold on right here, and then we go.
Take a bow.
Hi.
Can you do a curtsy? You go.